Hi everyone, meet Ramdana or Amaranth if you are outside India. In Indian homes, it's a trusted fasting grain. In the West, it's called an ancient superfood. Pop it and you get tiny popcorns. Simmer it and it becomes a creamy porridge that's light, filling, and surprisingly high in protein. So let's start. You'll need 1/3 cup of raw Ramdana seeds, 1 cup and 3/4 cup of milk, and 2.5 teaspoons of sugar. Start with a deep heavy pot with handle on high heat. Add just 2 tablespoons of amaranth at a time. Keep the pot moving until most of the seeds have popped. The seeds will pop like mini popcorn, light and white. Transfer in a bowl and repeat until you are done with all of them. If you add too much at a time, they will burn before they pop, so small batches are the secret. There is no need to add butter or oil. You can hear how these amaranth seeds pop like popcorns, quick and fast. From 1/3 cup of seeds, you will get roughly 1 cup of popped amaranth. It's perfect for 2 portions. Once all the seeds have popped, bring 1 cup of milk to a boil. Stir in sugar or swap with jaggery or honey if you want more depth. Turn the heat down to low and add in the popped amaranth gradually, stirring as you go. Don't dump it all at once because milk tends to froth and spill over if you shock it with too much at a time. After adding all of them, let the mixture come back to a gentle boil. Add raisins. Cover the pot and turn off the heat. Let it rest for 15 minutes. It will look runny now, but trust the process. During this quiet rest, the grains soak up milk and swell without turning gummy. After 15 minutes, open the lid and stir. You'll see the porridge has thickened. And no, you didn't ruin it. The amaranth seeds have quietly thickened the milk without turning gummy. Now pour in the remaining 3/4 cup of milk to loosen it into a silky texture. Stir and watch it transform. It will have your dream texture, creamy, pourable, and not paste. Serve it warm for breakfast or chill it for dessert. This porridge charms either way. Skip the cardamom and heavy spices. Ramdana or amaranth has a delicate flavor that shines on its own. There's a tip: refrigerate leftover and reheat with a splash of milk. And that's it. Creamy, gluten-free porridge ready in minutes. Whether you call it Ramdana, Amaranth, or Rajgira, it proves tiny seeds can make a mighty breakfast. Try it and share it with someone who needs a healthier start to their day. Until next time, thanks for watching.